Hey there! Welcome to our channel, The Z Brainer. I'm your host, Dr. Z, and today we have an incredible topic lined up for you. Get ready to discover the 10 craziest things your brain does when you're tired. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1 is memory malfunctions. When you're sleep deprived, your brain's ability to form and retrieve memories is compromised. During sleep, the brain goes through different stages that help consolidate and strengthen memories. Without sufficient rest, this process is disrupted. The hippocampus, a brain region crucial for memory consolidation, doesn't function optimally. As a result, it becomes harder to transfer memories from the short-term to the long-term storage. It's like having a jumbled file cabinet, making it harder to recall information accurately. So, don't be surprised if you forget where you left your keys or even what you had for breakfast. Your brain needs sleep to organize and store memories properly. Next up, we have the emotional roller coaster. When you're tired, your brain's emotional regulation centers become less effective. The amygdala, responsible for processing emotions, becomes hyperactive, while the prefrontal cortex, responsible for keeping emotions in check, becomes less active. This imbalance leads to heightened negative emotions and a decreased ability to experience positive emotions. It's like being on a wild ride of emotions. You might find yourself getting easily irritable, moody, or feeling down. The lack of sleep affects the communication between these brain regions, leading to emotional volatility. Understanding how sleep deprivation affects your emotions can help you navigate those challenging moments. When you're tired, your brain struggles to concentrate. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for sustained attention, has a harder time without sufficient rest. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, essential for focus, are affected by sleep deprivation. It becomes harder to stay engaged with tasks and resist distractions. Sleep deprivation also disrupts the brain's transition between different states of consciousness, impairing focus and productivity. Brace yourselves for number 4, hallucinations. When your brain lacks proper rest, it can sometimes play tricks on you. Sleep deprivation can lead to microsleep, brief episodes of sleep where parts of the brain may momentarily fall asleep without your awareness. During these episodes, the brain's sensory processing can become distorted, resulting in hallucinations. Hallucinations can manifest in various ways. Visual hallucinations may cause you to see things that aren't there, such as objects, people, or shapes. Auditory hallucinations can lead to hearing sounds, voices, or music that have no external source. Sensory hallucinations can make you feel sensations on your skin, like crawling or tingling, even if nothing is touching you. These experiences can be vivid, surreal, and sometimes confusing. Hallucinations occur because sleep deprivation disrupts the brain's normal processes of perception and interpretation. The brain relies on sensory input and its ability to interpret that input to create our perception of reality. When we are sleep deprived, our brain's ability to accurately process sensory information is compromised. As a result, the brain may generate false or distorted perceptions, leading to hallucinations. It's important to note that hallucinations experienced due to sleep deprivation are different from those associated with mental health conditions, such as schizophrenia. Sleep deprivation-induced hallucinations are generally short-lived and disappear once proper rest is obtained. However, if you consistently experience hallucinations or if they persist even after getting adequate sleep, it's crucial to consult a medical professional for further evaluation. Remember, hallucinations can be startling or confusing, so it's important to differentiate them from reality. If you experience hallucinations, try grounding techniques such as focusing on your breathing or engaging with your surroundings to help bring you back to the present moment. Ever made a decision you later regretted and wondered why? Well, here's the answer: sleep deprivation. When you're tired, your brain's ability to make rational decisions becomes compromised. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for rational decision-making and logical thinking, doesn't work at its full capacity without sufficient rest. At the same time, brain regions associated with impulsive behavior become more active. This combination leads to impaired judgment and an increased tendency to make risky choices. It's like your decision-making system is working with reduced efficiency. Lack of sleep affects your ability to weigh options, consider consequences, and make informed choices. That's why it's important to prioritize rest, as a well-rested brain leads to better judgment. Get ready to raid the fridge because tiredness brings us to our next point: increased appetite. When you're sleep deprived, your brain craves more food, particularly high-calorie and sugary options. The hormone ghrelin, which stimulates hunger, is elevated, while the hormone leptin, responsible for suppressing appetite, decreases. This hormonal imbalance can lead to excessive food cravings and a higher likelihood of overeating. So, if you find yourself reaching for that bag of chips or that pint of ice cream late at night, remember that it's not just your lack of willpower, it's your tired brain playing tricks on you. Did you know that lack of sleep can compromise your immune system? When you're tired, your body produces fewer immune cells and proteins that help fight off infections and keep you healthy. This weakened immune response can make you more susceptible to illnesses like the common cold or flu. Additionally, sleep deprivation can lead to chronic inflammation, which is associated with a range of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. So, prioritize your rest to keep your immune system strong and ward off those pesky germs. Need lightning-fast reflexes? Well, you might need to catch some Z's first. Sleep deprivation slows down your reaction time, making it harder to respond quickly and effectively to stimuli. When you're tired, the communication between brain cells becomes sluggish, leading to delayed processing and response times. This can be particularly dangerous in activities that require quick reactions, such as driving or operating machinery. So, make sure to prioritize rest to keep your reflexes sharp and yourself and others safe. Your tired brain can even mess with your memories. Sleep deprivation can lead to memory distortions, where you may have difficulty distinguishing between real events and imagined ones. Your brain's ability to accurately recall and differentiate memories becomes compromised, leading to confabulations or false memories. This can be unsettling, as it blurs the lines between what actually happened and what your tired brain created. So, don't be surprised if you find yourself questioning the accuracy of your recollections after a sleepless night. Last but not least, sleep deprivation has a significant impact on your overall cognitive abilities. Your brain's ability to think critically, solve problems, and process information efficiently is compromised when you're tired. You may experience difficulties with tasks that require complex thinking, creativity, and mental flexibility. Your cognitive performance, including attention, memory, and decision-making, can suffer as a result of sleep deprivation. So, if you want to perform at your best, both mentally and intellectually, make sure to prioritize quality sleep. And there you have it, the 10 incredible things your brain does when you're tired. From memory malfunctions to emotional roller coasters, impaired focus to hallucinations, and poor decision-making to increased appetite, sleep deprivation takes a toll on our brain's functioning. We've seen how it weakens our immune system, slows down our reaction time, distorts our memories, and decreases our cognitive abilities. But amidst all these fascinating and sometimes unsettling effects, there's a clear message: sleep is vital for our well-being. Prioritizing rest allows our brain to consolidate memories, regulate emotions, maintain focus, make better decisions, and even support our physical health. It's a reminder that sleep is not a luxury but a necessity for optimal brain function. So, next time you find yourself sacrificing sleep for other pursuits, remember the incredible capabilities of your brain that are affected when you're tired. Take care of your sleep hygiene, establish a consistent sleep schedule, and create a conducive sleep environment. Your brain will thank you for it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 10 crazy things your brain does when you're tired. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others who might find it interesting. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the brain. Until next time, sleep well and keep your brain thriving.